Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fudge ice cream. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth process. You'll need heavy cream, whole milk, and granulated sugar to form the creamy base. Don't forget the unsweetened cocoa powder and dark chocolate for that deep fudge flavor. A touch of vanilla extract will enhance all the delicious notes, making your homemade ice cream truly special. Now, let's create that rich fudge base. In a medium saucepan, combine your heavy cream, whole milk, granulated sugar, and cocoa powder. Whisk these ingredients together over medium heat, ensuring the sugar fully dissolves. Once it reaches a gentle boil, reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. This step deepens the chocolate flavor and thickens the mixture perfectly for churning. After simmering, remove the saucepan from the heat. Stir in your chopped dark chocolate until it's completely melted and smooth, then add the vanilla extract. It's crucial to chill this mixture thoroughly in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or even overnight. Once perfectly cold, pour the base into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Once churned, transfer your delicious, soft fudge ice cream into a freezer-safe container. Cover it tightly and place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours, or until it's firm enough to scoop. This final chill time allows the flavors to fully develop and the texture to become perfectly scoopable. Enjoy your homemade fudge ice cream. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.